Good morning, class 7th student. Today we will start your third chapter of computer formula and function in Excel. Now introduction. You have already learned about several formatting and editing features in MS Excel, and in this chapter will go learn how to perform calculation in MS Excel with the help of formula. Now, in the previous classes, you are aware about the different formatting and editing functions which are used in MS Excel. Now, in this chapter, we are going to study how we are used to do calculation in MS Excel. Formulas are useful to establish a relationship between two or more cells and perform several calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now, for what is formula? Formulas are useful to establish a relationship between two or more cells and perform several calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. A formula can also be understood as an expression, can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators, and parentheses. Formula is also, we can also consider formula as an expression which contain the cell address, number, arithmetic operators, and parentheses. We can perform several calculations using formulas which can be both simple and complex. Now we can perform several calculations using formulas in MS Excel and which are simple and complex. A formula begins with equal to sign symbol. Now in MS Excel when we are using the formula, it begins with equal to sign and is followed by the cell reference and operator required. It is followed by the cell reference. Cell reference means on which cell you want to apply the formula, and also operators are required. It can also contain the elements mentioned below. It also contain the element mentioned below means references, a cell or a range of cell to be used in calculation. What is references? A cell, either a cell and a range of cell which is used in calculations. Constant, number or text which would not change. Constants are number which do not change. Functions, predefined Excel formulas. What are functions? Which are predefined Excel formulas. Operators, symbols such as plus, minus, multiply, divide, mod, m, exponent, hash, dollar sign, which specify the calculation to be performed with related element. So these are the different symbols which we use in MS Excel for performing the calculations. Now you can see elements of formula in Excel: equal to sign, a2 plus b2 multiply c4 minus sum. So you can say this is a mathematical operation, and sum e3 dot e5, e3 colon e5, it means the sum of the values which in there e3, e4 and e5. A basic formula comprise only one operator in the formula. A basic function which comprise only one operator in the formula. Let us calculate the sum of number a1, a2, a3, a7. Now we are going to just in Excel and perform the calculation, and we will display the result in A9. You can follow the step given below. Click on A9 where you wish to generate the result. Just click on A9. You can see A9 can see in your book. Click on the A9 where you wish to generate the result. Type equal to sign. First of all, you type equal to sign. Click on A2 dot to A9 will display the address. Type plus sign here. Repeat this step until A7 or simply 7. Now it means A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 equal to A7. Press enter and the result of the values added from A2 to A8 will be displayed in the column A9. Whatever the values are there in this column, it will finally get added up and result will be there in A9. Now if your calculations are not simple, they are compounded formulas, we have to use compound formulas for doing that calculations. Compound formulas are used when there are more than one operator in the formula being executed. When we are having more than one formula in that calculations, and then we use compound formula. Let us take an example of the same calculating the simple interest using the formula P multiply R multiply T divided by 100. Now input the data as illustrated in the figure given alongside. Input principal, rate, time in B2, B3, B4 respectively. Now enter the value of principal, rate and time in different columns. Fill the values in the adjacent cells as 2500, 10 and 2. You can fill any values, but in this calculation principal value is taken to 2500, rate is taken 10% and time is 2 years. Write simple interest in B6 and C6 type equal to sign. Now what you are doing, you are writing simple interest in B6, and in C6 just apply the formula. When you will click on that, cell address C2 appear in A7. When you will click, what you will find, the cell address C2 appear in C7. Type multiply sign in front of it and click on C3 and C4. Now write the sign after this and write the 100. The calculated answer will be appear in is C7 as you will press enter key. Simply the formula is placed, P principal multiply rate multiply time divided by 100. So this formula is used and the answer will be displayed in E7.